Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update Intel display drivers up to date. Open any browser. Type Intel Driver Support Assistant in browser search bar. Click Download Intel Driver Support Assistant. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Click Run. Check I agree the license terms and conditions. Click Launch. Click Download. Click Next to continue. Click Next. Click Finish to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.